Welcome to this comprehensive guide on stack and queue, two fundamental linear data structures in computer science. These structures form the backbone of many algorithms and applications you'll encounter in programming. Throughout this tutorial, you'll learn how they work, their key operations, and how to implement them effectively. Before diving into stacks and queues, let's understand what linear data structures are. A linear data structure is one where elements are arranged in a sequential order. Each element is connected to its previous and next element, forming a chain-like structure. Common examples include arrays, linked lists, stacks, and queues. The key characteristic is that data is organized in a straight line, making it easy to traverse from one element to another in a specific sequence. A stack is a linear data structure where elements are organized in a specific order for insertion and removal operations. The defining feature of a stack is the LIFO principle, which stands for last in, first out. This means that the last element you add to the stack is the first one that gets removed. Think of it like a stack of plates, where you can only add or remove plates from the top. The element that was placed most recently is always the first one you can access. Stacks support four fundamental operations. First is push, which adds an element to the top of the stack. Second is pop, which removes and returns the element at the top of the stack. Third is peek, also called top, which returns the top element without removing it, allowing you to view what's on top. Fourth is isEmpty, which checks whether the stack contains any elements or not. These operations make stacks incredibly useful for scenarios like function call management, undo mechanisms, and expression evaluation. Let's look at a simple implementation of a stack in Python. We start by creating an empty stack using a Python list. To push elements, we use the append method, adding 10, 20, and 30 to our stack. To pop an element, we call the pop method, which removes and returns the top element, 30 in this case. To peek at the top element without removing it, we access the last element using index -1. This implementation demonstrates how Python's built-in list can effectively serve as a stack data structure. A queue is a linear data structure where elements are added at one end and removed from the other end. Unlike stacks, queues follow the FIFO principle, which stands for first in, first out. This means the first element you add to the queue is the first one that gets removed. Imagine a line of people waiting at a ticket counter. The person who arrives first gets served first. This is exactly how a queue operates, making it perfect for scenarios requiring sequential processing in the order of arrival. Queues have four primary operations. First is Enqueue, which adds an element to the rear or back of the queue. Second is Dequeue, which removes and returns the element at the front of the queue. Third is peek, which returns the front element without removing it, letting you see what's next in line. Fourth is isEmpty, which checks if the queue has any elements. These operations make queues essential for task scheduling, breadth-first search algorithms, and managing requests in operating systems. Here's a practical implementation of a queue in Python using the collections module. We import Dequeue, which stands for double-ended queue, a specialized data structure optimized for queue operations. After creating an empty queue, we enqueue elements by using the append method to add 10, 20, and 30. To dequeue, we use the popleft method, which removes and returns the front element, 10 in this case. To peek at the front element, we access index 0. This implementation efficiently handles queue operations with constant time complexity.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.